We have only two objectives today. Number one, to tell you how to make money in 2020. Number two, how to save money in 2020. So Lao is responsible for how to make money, and I will come in to tell you, do whatever he does, but save money. And with these two combinations, how could you go wrong? I mean, you got the best part of life, right? There's a couple of important things I want to mention to you today, which is about to save money. And I want you to remember those days, July 15. July 15 is a key date for an election. And let's say you are in the stock market, and before you take Lao's class, you already lost a couple $10,000. All right. I know that somebody take Lao's classes because they keep on losing money. They don't know why, and they want to learn the real skills, so they sign up on the class. Say you already lost the money, and you know that you are only allowed to deduct $3,000 a year, right? You only have 8 years to go. If you don't get that deducted and you lose it, and this is your capital loss. On July 15, only for 2020, only for this year. And you can elect to be a mark-to-market account for your trading account. Then the loss you had, it will be against your W-2 income, against your other income. So you don't just limit yourself to deduct $3,000. So this is a date, the last day you can do that election for 2020, all right? And before October 15, and you can do data match service, data matching your 2019 tax return with community CPA. So you would reduce your chance to overpay taxes significantly. This is another way to save your money. Before November 30th is another date. You do your planning for your 2020. By then, you already know how you are doing with stock market investment, the trade you did under Lao's instruction. You might just made so much money that you need to plan. Only to do that before the year end, otherwise you lose the chance to really save your money. And one thing I know when I write things like Section 475 mark-to-market election, that looks so foreign and that looks so not English, not Chinglish. It looks too complicated. But this is, just remember this. Mark-to-market means you have no more limitation to deduct your loss. It means the income you made can reduce by your business expenses. So you classify yourself as a day trader, a trader. You're not investor, okay? You are a trader. What is investor difference from the trader? And in Lao's example, he is a trader because he trades every day for a profit, okay? He turns around the deal and knows he made stimulus check already, so he's a trader. But his wife, she is an investor, because she trade for long-term investment to make money. See how that difference is. So for his wife, she cannot deduct home office, computer expense, and if she happened to have a loss, she can only deduct $3,000 a year. But for Lao, because he is a trader, so he can deduct his home office, he can deduct his mileage, he can deduct the classes that he was taking to make himself better. So same to you, you can deduct the classes that you took to make yourself a trader, right? So whatever the amount the NouStart is charging become part of your business expense, but it will not be your business expense if you don't have mark-to-market election. So I have this slide. You can take a quick picture of it and read the verbiage in the bottom, but this is just to tell you who qualifies for it. And it says that more than 50% of profit generated from wash sales. So what is wash sales? Wash sales are the sales you bought and sell within 30 days. So that means a quick turnaround. You want those trades to make your stimulus check $300 a day, $2,000 a day. Perfect. You close the deal, you have the rest of the day off. And so that's what we call the wash sales traders. And then, of course, benefit to the trader. It is a business, so you can run your business deduction. You can buy 401k plan for yourself, and you can do payroll for yourself. If you bought something, and you can do 179 deduction, which is a huge deduction for people. And look at my last one. NouStart LLC class fees, investment advices, investment newsletters, courses on investing, travel, to educating and to education and investment seminars. So all of these is part of your deduction for being a trader. So come back to what I was saying, and here I save you money. I save you money because there is a section 475 it's called mark to market. That's what you need to know. If you are in the stock market deal and you don't know what mark to market, it's almost like you are a kid and you never play Lego. It's such a sad thing, and you have to. So it is a choice. By the way, you don't have to be logged into that. Say 1 year you are mark to market, and next year you decided, no, I got a full-time job, I'm going to work, I'm just gonna do this one part-time, I'm not a trader full-time anymore. Fine, you can elect yourself and be back to normal. So this is where my 2 cents come in, and combining what Lao has, that gives you a full picture of how to make money in 2020 and how to save money, save taxes in 2020. And the July 15 day, October 15 day, November 30th. Just remember those key days, and remember, Community CPA is always here for you.